Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add any website as a shortcut icon on your home screen in HOTWAV T5 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our browser, preferably Google Chrome, because I'm not sure if this is supported by any other browser. Then we need to find whichever website we want to add as a shortcut icon and make sure that it's opened during this entire process. Now, click on the arrow pointing up or down or three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here on the bottom of this list you'll find Add to Home Screen. You'll be able to rename your icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add to Home Screen, close the browser, and here in the last available space it should appear as an icon. You can click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.